Welcome to Financial Works, the channel where we help you make smart financial decisions. In today's video, we're going to talk about a budgeting technique that can help you save more money and achieve your financial goals faster. Zero-based budgeting. This is a method that requires you to justify every dollar you spend and allocate it to a specific category. By doing this, you can eliminate unnecessary expenses and optimize your cash flow. Sounds interesting, right? Well, let's get into it and see how it works. Zero-based budgeting is a technique that was originally used by businesses, but can also be applied to personal finance. The idea is that you start from zero every month and plan your budget based on your income and expenses. Unlike traditional budgeting, which uses the previous month's budget as a baseline and makes adjustments based on changes in income or expenses, zero-based budgeting forces you to review every expense and decide whether it is essential or not. The basic formula for zero-based budgeting is income expenses equals zero. This means that every dollar of your income should be assigned to a specific category, such as needs, wants, savings, or debt payments. The goal is to have $0 left at the end of the month. This doesn't mean that you spend all of your money, but rather that you allocate all of your money to your financial priorities. So, how do you create a zero-based budget? Here are the steps. 1. Know your income. This is the amount of money that you actually take home after taxes and other deductions. You can use a tax calculator online to estimate this number. 2. List your expenses. These are the things that you spend money on every month, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, insurance, transportation, entertainment, etc. You can use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track your spending. 3. Categorize your expenses. You can use different categories based on your needs and preferences, but a common way to do it is to divide them into needs, wants, savings, and debt payments. Needs are the things that you must pay for every month to survive and function, such as housing, food, water, electricity, etc. Wants are the things that you don't need but make your life more enjoyable and fun, such as eating out, shopping, hobbies, travel, etc. Savings are the things that you put aside for your future goals, such as retirement, emergency fund, education fund, etc. Debt payments are the things that you pay to reduce your debt obligations, such as credit cards, student loans, car loans, etc. 4. Assign a percentage to each category. This is where you decide how much of your income you want to spend on each category. There is no fixed rule for this, but a common guideline is the 50-30-20 rule, which says that you should spend 50% of your income on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings and debt payments. However, you can adjust these percentages based on your personal situation and goals. 5. Adjust your budget until it equals zero. This is where you make sure that your income minus your expenses equals zero. If you have money left over after assigning it to all the categories, you can either increase your spending on some categories or add more money to your savings or debt payments. If you have a negative balance after assigning it to all the categories, you need to cut down on some expenses or increase your income. The benefits of using zero-based budgeting are: it helps you save more money by avoiding unnecessary expenses and allocating more money to your financial goals. It helps you be more aware of your spending habits and make better financial decisions. It helps you live within your means and avoid overspending or going into debt. The drawbacks of using zero-based budgeting are: it can be time-consuming and tedious to review every expense and justify it every month. It can be difficult to stick to the budget if there are unexpected changes in income or expenses. It can be challenging to balance between needs and wants and find the optimal allocation for each category. Zero-based budgeting is not for everyone. It depends on your personality and preferences. Some people might find it too restrictive or complicated, while others might find it empowering and motivating. The key is to find a budgeting method that works for you and helps you achieve your financial goals. That's all for today's video, folks. I hope you learned something new and useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks. Also, let us know in the comments below what you think of zero-based budgeting and how you budget your income. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Financial Works.